Hello viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. Are you tired of fried rice, pulaus and biryanis? Then you must try out my today's recipe, which is Vellulli Choor. Some call it Vellulli Karam rice or garlic rice. What's in the name? But this rice recipe is a burst of flavors, spicy, garlicky, bits of nuts to chew, and most importantly, it's nutritious and super easy to prepare. This recipe is perfect for tiffin and for also those days when you are lazy to cook. Serve this Vellulli rice with some salads, some slit mangoes, pickles and a lemon wedge. So let's quickly prepare Vellulli Choor in just 5 minutes. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. Here I have taken 10 large garlic cloves cut into half, 6 baby shallots cut into half, 10 dried red chilies soaked in warm water. Soaking will help in easy grinding. Few curry leaves and 2 to 3 tablespoon oil. I have taken 2 cups of raw rice washed and soaked in water for 15 minutes and now allowing it to cook up to 80% only. Once the rice is 80% cooked, discard the water and allow the rice to cool down. This recipe will serve for 4 to 5 people. While the rice cooks, let's prepare the masala. In a grinder, add in the chopped garlic, shallots, few curry leaves, soaked red chilies, some salt to taste and coarsely grind it. For this recipe, we do not need fine paste. The mixture is coarsely grounded. In a large pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil and saute the peanuts until golden brown. Saute them on a medium heat. Once the peanuts are golden brown, remove them from the oil. Into the same oil, add in few mustard seeds to crackle, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and allow them to crackle, 2 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal. Adding these dals and peanuts is optional. I add them because they give a perfect crunch and bite to the soft rice, as well as these dals and peanuts have more nutritional value to this recipe. And fry for a minute. Now add in the remaining curry leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for some color, and then finally comes in the coarse ground garlic mixture. We will be sautéing the garlic mixture in this oil. I add some water in the mixture jar and wash out all the spice mix. On a low heat, saute for half a minute. Add salt as per taste. Add in the fried peanuts and reserve few peanuts for the final garnish. So it's totally up to you. Whatever dal you have, you can just add it, or instead of dal you can just add the cashew nuts and almonds. So it's completely optional. The rice has almost cooled down and now I can add the rice into the Vellulli Karam, means the garlic paste. Mix them gently and mix them well. Add the rice in small batches so that the flavors and the spice can easily coat each grain. Increase the flame to high and saute the rice. That's it. Serve it right away on a banana leaf. Garnish with some more fried peanuts, some freshly sliced mangoes, sliced onions. I like to serve the rice with some fish fry. So here I have a fish fry with me. This fish fry is a Kerala style fish fry recipe and it's really super yummy, spicy and tangy. If you have not yet seen this recipe of fish fry, I am giving the link of the recipe in the description box below. Also, I am tagging the recipe on this video. So please do check out the recipe of this fish fry. It's really yummy and it goes perfectly well with this Vellulli Choor as well as any white rice or Kerala rice. So do check out that recipe. And finally, a wedge of lemon. If you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and leave in your valuable comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.